Hey everybody, Blake here with my little hiccuping baby Willa. Today I'm going to show you the results of our giant WordPress scan. So we scanned all of the known WordPress sites for accessibility errors, and we have some pretty cool results. So just to kind of like show what we did, the process, we went through and collected every single WordPress site that we possibly could. This is through a new domain discovery feature that Equalify has. And then since there were so many sites, we wanted to do it in a very efficient way. So we have a Equalify API, and basically the way this works is we sent the URLs of the sites or sitemaps to Equalify, and then Equalify gave us a bunch of data, and the data is in the Equalify schema format. But the data will show all the different accessibility issues using the scans that we have active. For WordPress, we have Axe Core active. That was our primary scan that we used. We did kind of tune it a little bit to make sure we weren't getting as many false positives as just Axe Core out of the box. But in the end, here's what we did. So in the end, we had 445 properties. These are just different sites within a .org system. And then we had, from these properties, we were able to get, here it is, 115,000 URLs. So we trimmed some of the URLs here. We did try a few different types of scans. So we initially did a crawl, and then we did a sitemap scan, and then we just did single page scans. And then the sitemap scan was the best, I think. It got not only the most pages, but the most accurate pages. So that's what we kind of kept with. So the vast majority of these 115,000 pages are coming from the sitemap scan. I think actually all of the 115,000 pages are coming from the sitemap scan. And then, so with these page URLs, then Equalify works its magic. So we then go and scan all the pages for accessibility issues, and we're looking at particular nodes on the pages. So what I have on screen right now is just our database of all the nodes. And nodes are basically HTML snippets that you would find that populate the DOM. And so we have 1,638,453 nodes. And these nodes are where we can find accessibility issues. And so there are a total of 1,135 different types of accessibility issues that we came across. And these are further segmented into tags. So there are, let's see here, there are 71 tags for these issues. Now, our next process is to both visualize these issues, kind of understand what we have and where it is, and then also better categorize the accessibility issues so that we can address them and we're not flooding with requests to update them. We're building currently an LLM system that's going to analyze all of these different issues. It's going to find where there's patterns and things like that. And the LLM system, again, is not an end-all be-all. It's basically like a co-pilot system. In addition to that, we really want to see what people do with this data visualization. So I'm going to post on GitHub all this data, and I would really love to hear what people do with it and what people see with it. Meanwhile, again, this month, I'm going to be working on data visualization, and then we're going to be feeding our new LLM into it to see if we can get some really good understanding of how to triage these issues, what they are, and then get some marching steps moving forward. So again, check out the GitHub repo that I'm going to post, and yeah, thank you for watching.